Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I have not posted any videos. I have been doing some other priority projects, but don't worry, today I'm back. So I'm bringing some exciting project to you to share with you. One tool which I have developed for the hobby makers and small business owners. So let's dive into how you can use this tool, what are the features, and many more. So this is the tool interface which you are looking at. So this is a software version, so you can use this tool on your desktop, but there is also web version which is the similar as this is, but there are some limitations for the print farming. So that is a new version for the tool which I have developed for the software, but yeah, for the quotation everything it's the same. So let's go through the each features which this tool will be going to support. Because honestly I was tired with guessing 3D printing costs, the other materials in the Excel sheet, adding, subtracting, so it's a little bit complicated and wasted of time also and sometimes errors. So that's why I designed this tool for fast and accurate. And so this tool is completely free and open source. It uses auto G file code reading, so it will fill all the details and everything here, and you will see the quotations here after doing calculation. So you can save your codes also. There are resin printer also. If you are using resin printer, then you can use this thing here. Then you can calculate and save your codes here also. So but first of all, if you are using totally new, so don't jump directly on this things. First you have to set up this software also, the settings and everything. So first you will set your currency which you want to work with. So let's assume you want to work with the USD, then go to setting. Here you will see the three tabs. First in the material, machine and consumables. So if you want to add, edit or materials whatever for the both printer, resin and FDM, you can do here everything. I have pre-listed some materials. If you want to edit, you can edit from this button, but same for the machine and consumables. So let's go in the deep how you will add material. So I want to add PLA Pro, the plus version. So this is a plus version which I am using. If you have different colors and everything, you can make like black, which is little bit pricier or cheap version from the other, so you can how differentiate it. So it's cost me around $12 per kg. So it's FDM I will add. So in list you will see this thing. So PLA black, it costing me $12 per kg. You can delete also. If I delete, so it will remove from here. You can add multiples materials. So if you want to edit, come here, edit 30, or maybe you have to change to 60. Don't go to 60, let's say it become cheaper, $10, update. So updated. So this is how you can change the material, edit material cost or names, anything, and you can add multiple materials for both printer types, FDM and resin. And now let's move to the next one, that is machines, how you will add and edit the machines. So I have pre-listed some default machines here. If you think like value are not matching, you can just go same as edit, come up. So you will see this resin. So hourly cost is 5, then I will say 5, so it will be updated. So it was, yeah, so you can see the 5, or maybe this one. Yes, so let's say I want to edit this one. So 4 instead of 10, update. So you can see that update. The same you can add here, custom printer 1 FDM it is, and hourly cost is $3 and power consumption is 150 watts. Add machine. So you will go in this here and you can see. So this is how you can add your machines also. and now comes to the consumables. Like this part is different from the both levels, so this is a predefined which I have done. So these are the two important. This one is very important, electricity rate, which will going to help you in the calculation part. So I want to add the glove for the raising. So yeah, I want to add some consumables here. So let's add a new consumable here. So I want to add the glove, so I will write glove. The value is 10 cent per dollar, so dollar per glove. So this toggle will going to help you a lot. Why? Because this will showcase in the list in billing, so you will see this in the billing also. If you don't want to see this thing in the billing or invoice, so you can just say okay, this should be hidden, so this will be hidden. But I'm currently keep it as visible add consumable, but all items are invisible right now, so you will not going to see the list of the consumable in the home page. So let's go the back, and here we will upload a gcode file. I have already pre-initialized file here. I will just upload, and if you want to see the thumbnail, which part you are going to print or making the invoice, so just keep your mouse over that. You will see a thumbnail over here. You can see which file. Okay, you choose correct one. So here from the gcode file you will automatically pre-fill all the data, mandatory one. But if you want to add some other part, you can add it, but I'm just leave it like that. But the feature which we see, the consumable, so you can see here, I can see the glove also. So here I can see the glove, so I will add. Okay, the glove is used for this printer, for this print, so that's why I'm adding this cost also in the quotation. So when I say, so I can see that here everything. So the quote is calculated. So material cost, machine time cost, and electricity subtotal input plus the markup. So this is a total bill you have generated for this print. There are multiple features available. So if you want to save this code in the software or in the web tool, you will see this like this. Click on the save code. So down bottom you will see this quotation, and also the one of the best part of this thing of saving the code is this is how you will see the interface. So total cost you have generated, total revenue you have earned, average quote value, and the print type, which printer you have used. So this is the feature which if you are using save code, so this is how it will look. So if I see the eye vision, click on the eye, so you will see all the details here. So you can see the labor cost on consumable, so you can see the glove cost, everything, markup, it shows the values. So if you want to edit, right now it is not possible to edit any details because it already generated, but in future maybe I will improve this part, but right now just you can add some notes over here. So this is the feature for the save code. But assume you have a client which have 3 different files to be printed, but it will be tedious to do separate billing for separate print. So instead of doing that, come to add to batch. So just when you calculate it, come to add to batch. So this will come in the batch queue. So this is for just one print. Now jump to back. Now upload the new file. I will upload new file and say calculate. So this is for the new file price. So now I will add to batch. So you can see the total for the both file, the cost is this one. So this is the benefit of using the batch code. This is for one customer. You can do multiple file quotation in single batch or single invoice, and you can export in a PDF. You can export in a PDF also. And let's move to the send production. So this feature will going to help you out if you have connected your machines with the software. Then this will directly send to when you click on the send to production. This is a different feature which will going to explore later on. But this is the print management. If you send the file, it will send to a production management tool, which we are going to see later. And for this individual, we can export as a PDF. So this is how it will going to look for the PDF. But this is the journal form, but it will be helpful if you want to use. If you have your own invoice template, then I would recommend to export as a text format. So go here, download and save. Let me show you how it will going to look. So this is how it will going to look for your single quote. So you can just copy and paste this thing in your invoice template. So this is just a brief about the FDM printer calculating. If you want to do reset, how you will clear out, so just come here and reset. So this is how you will going to clear out all this details and everything. So clear the batch view also. If you want to remove the save code, just delete here. So this is how you will clear out and delete your old codes. So now let's jump to the resin printer type. If you're using resin printer also, so right now it support the CS DLP4 version, but I have added more also, so it will going to support for other printers like Prusa and I think the Formlab will also going to support, but I have not tested those files, but soon I will test and improve this thing. But right now it's working for Creality. I have tested for the Creality, so let me upload the Creality file. So I have uploaded. So for right now for the resin, I have not able to solve this thing, which it will automatically select the material and machine. So this is you have to do it manually right now, but in future you will see this updated. So right now I'm using Creality. So I'm using glove also. So this will I will leave it as it is. So you can say for the resin also you can calculate, save code, add to batch, send to production. Send to production. It will send to production also. So this is how you can do for the resin printer also. And if you have any recommendations for the features or update, just comment me down or reach me out. So yeah, if you click on the Rp Hobbyist here, so this is all links available here. You can directly check everything. You can write me email here, just click and email will pop up. And if you want to use the web version, just click here. So this is the web version, it's same, but the print management will not going to work because it required a software version only. So let's explore the print management. After you send this, I will going to go through with the FDM printer only right now. So after sending to a production, so you have to come to in print management. So this is how the print management layout looks. So currently I have sent 2 files for the Bamboo A1 Mini. It will automatically fetch which machine's file you have uploaded and it will directly queue in this printer. But assume you don't want this queue right now here. If you want to remove this queue also, you can remove. I want to upload more in the queue also, so I will do share, generate a code and send to production, come to print management. So here, so I have 2 files, and if you try to send this files to other printer, it will not going to allow because the file is already sliced for defined printer. So this file only goes to Bamboo A1. So right now I can do the queue process also, like okay, this print need to be go first and this go second. And right now for connecting your printer to the software, you can do it for Bamboo Lab only right now, but in future it will be possible for other printers also, but I can test only for right now for Bamboo only. So I have done testing, so it's working for Bamboo. For other printer I have no queue. But I have to check with the other printers. If someone can do it for me, then it's well good. Otherwise I will find some solution for other printers also soon. So this is a small brief about the print management you can use in the software only version. But yes, so this is a small tool which I have developed for the hobby makers and small business owners. Hope this will help you a lot. I have got so many good feedback from the hobbyists also, which I are using currently. So I think like this is very good tool for them, and it's totally free, open source. It comes under MIT open source license, so you can download the G-code, modify it, and you can customize so many things yourself also. But if you have any recommendation or anything, you can just submit your suggestion here and send me via email, so I can look and I can add features. So yes, this is the brief about the tool. So if you like it, go in description, you will find the link for the both software and the web tool. I would recommend use currently the web tool, but there are some bugs in the software version, so I will sort out soon. And for the print management, it will be going to be have so many new updates also upcoming. So keep in touch, so you will find out more and more features in print management also soon. And hope you will find very good tool using this thing and make valuable outcome from this and increase your profit and everything from this tool. And yes, so that's it for today, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in next time. Bye bye.